Good morning, motherfuckers. It's time for some English lessons. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Honk, woo! Whatever. I am so tired. It's so early. Let's talk about animals. What do animals say in English? A dog says bark or woof. A cat says meow. A horse says neigh, neigh. A cow says moo. A bird says tweet, tweet. A sheep says baa. And a rooster that wakes you up in the morning says cock-a-doodle-do. That's right, cock-a-doodle-do. And there's all kinds of other animals. What do animals say in your country? I know the French rooster says cocorico, I think. Cocorico or cocorico. You know, French accent. Crushing it. What do animals say in your country? What animals did I forget? Comment below. Subscribe and like. Honk woo.